The purpose of this video is to help you locate, navigate, and implement the Cedar Center Research-Based Course Enhancement Modules, or CEMs as we will refer to them in this how-to video. The CEMs are designed to be a flexible professional development resource for both in-service and pre-service educators that can be used within a college course or professional development setting. CEMs are designed to be used in whole or in parts to fit the needs of the provider.
Welcome to the homepage of the Cedar Center. From here, you'll be able to access all course enhancement modules. Simply click on the Resources Tools tab. After doing this, click on the option from the drop-down menu labeled Course Enhancement Modules. On the Course Enhancement Modules landing page, you'll see all of our currently released modules along with a How to Use the CEMs guide. We currently have over half a dozen course enhancement modules, with more on the way. Each module is organized to include an overview, learning resources, multimedia, sample course syllabi and/or professional development outlines, and references and resources. All the information in the CEMs are aligned to the innovation configurations, the ICs, which are also located on the Cedar website and are backed by evidence.
When you open the K-5 Reading Course Enhancement module, you'll see tabs listing all the resources that accompany the CEM. This overview page states the purpose and rationale for the CEM.
Let's examine the resources that are provided in the Reading K-5 module. Remember, all of the CEMs are designed in the same way. Each module contains a facilitator's guide, including facilitator notes that are aligned with the slides in the PowerPoint. You can use the PowerPoint in its entirety or select individual sections or slides that you want to use. Each module also contains multimedia, which allows participants to watch video clips of some of the practices used in actual classrooms or to hear content experts speak about.
In addition, each course enhancement module contains references and suggestions for extended learning. For more information about the modules or how to navigate them, simply click on the How to Use link, which is located on each course enhancement module.
Now let's spend some time navigating through the Evidence-Based Reading K-5 Course Enhancement module. It is organized using a multi-tiered system of support model. The CEMs are organized this way so that faculty in general and special education can determine the level of depth they want or need to cover across each tier.
Click on the button that says Learning Resources. It begins with an introduction section, then proceeds to the section with an overview of multi-tiered systems of support in reading. The next section presents the essential components of core or universal reading instruction. The next section covers supplemental or Tier 2 reading instruction, and the final section covers intensive individualized intervention, sometimes referred to as Tier 3. As a reminder, the other modules contain similar resources and are set up in a similar fashion. In the introduction section, the resources are listed in the gray box. Here is where you can click on resources that you want. For instance, if you click on the Facilitator's Guide, you will see the components of the CEM identified there, including interactive learning activities. Within the Facilitator's Guide is a notated PowerPoint with the facilitator's notes, as well as instructions for interactive engagement activities. As stated before, you have the option of using some or all of the slides in the PowerPoint so that it complements the purpose and objectives of your professional development or aligns with your course syllabus. In looking at the first few pages, you'll see an interactive activity listed, as well as any handouts needed by the participants. Handouts are provided in the section of each module and are labeled as such. If you want to extend the module content, there are reference pages and additional resources provided to use for that purpose. You can advance to the next part of the course enhancement module, supplemental or Tier 2, or intensive or Tier 3 instruction. You will see these sections are organized in the same way as core reading instruction. There are tabs that you can click that will take you to a facilitation guide, anchor PowerPoint presentation, handouts and resources and materials to be used for this portion of the module. Each section of the PowerPoint is a standalone section that can be used by itself or incorporated with the other sections of the module. This allows for flexibility and differentiation for providers.
In closing, let's review a few points about the CEMs. The CEMs are designed around evidence-based practices, and they're intended to be used as professional development resources for pre-service and in-service teachers or leaders. They can be used in their entirety, or you can select specific parts. Each section is written so that it can stand alone. Many of the CEMs were developed around the multi-tiered system of support model, and all of the CEMs are grounded in research on evidence-based practices. For further support or assistance in using our materials, please contact the Cedar Center so that we may assist you.